2009 Subaru Outback 2.5 liter 5-speed. We have a problem with the clutch. So I'm over here looking at the clutch. This is the clutch pedal. Looking at how it's acting. I'm like, what the heck? Well, that's because it catches up here to a linkage that presses the clutch over here. I'm sorry, but that was throwing me for a loop for a while. I figured it out now once I got it straight. But something's funky. It's not leaking out of the master per se. I think the master's gone bad. So we're gonna change out the master and we're gonna do the slave. And that's it. So we gotta pull off this little, there's a little cotter pin right there. We gotta pull off this one. I hope it's not too bright. Gotta pull off that little cotter pin, slide that pin out, and that should all back right out. All right, so it's basically over your gas pedal. There's that pin. We'll just drop that here on the floor. And then we'll push out this. It's even got like another safety pin to keep you from, even if that pin falls out, it's got a backup. There. All right. So there's the pin. Now, this should be, yep, that's all disconnected. So now we can go to the outside of the car. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but it's all disconnected up under there. It's 10 millimeter here, 12 millimeters there. Don't need it, but where did I put it? New master cylinder. Thing I like to do when I put in a new brake anything is I like to get the line started first, so that way I know that I'm not cross-threaded anywhere. So see, that's all the way in finger tight that it can go, and then we'll worry about getting the bolts in. Alright, I found my ratchet, but I got using a different one anyway. There's that. Alright, I'm gonna pop under the car, or under the dash real quick and plug in the master linkage. Got the old one out, the new one's getting installed right now. We just gotta hook up the line, then we can test it. Crush us some washers. There. Cool. Let's get our bleeding bottle. Put that over there. Stroke the pedal a few times, see if we get some fluid out of it. Yeah, we're starting to get something. Getting a lot of air though. Yeah, probably use your foot to pop it back up. Can you pump it again? Hold it down. Thank you. got the Subaru going. It's clutching just fine, locking up the building. If you enjoy these episodes, I hope you leave some love. You can comment, subscribe, whatever it is that you want to do. I don't want to tell you what to do. It'd be great though. Thank you all very much for watching, and that's it.